Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by 1 plus sin x on numerator and denominator. So this one you got about 1 minus sin x squared. Now we have the formula in here. Sin x squared plus cosine x squared equals to number 1. So we have negative sin x squared. So that means we put this one go to the right. And you got about cosine x squared equals to 1 minus sin x squared. So this one we change by cosine x squared. So sin x multiplied by number 1 and sin x. And now we apply the same formula in here. But this one will be sin x squared. This one will be cosine x squared. So that means sin x squared in here we change into 1 minus cosine x squared. Now we have sin x divided by cosine x squared. Number 1 divided by cosine x squared. Cosine x squared divided by cosine x squared. Now this one that's about secant of x squared. The integration of secant of x squared you got about tan x. Number 1 you got about x. Now we just concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to negative sin x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we put the negative go to the left. This one we change by u, and you got about u squared. Sin x dx we change by negative du. The integration of this one you got about 1 over u, and we put about c. About u that's about cosine x, and we put about c in here. So that means the integration of this one that's about 1 over cosine x, and we put about c in here. So this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.